So, finally, WhatsApp has introduced a feature that users have been waiting for a long time. Now you can use multiple accounts in the same WhatsApp app, just like Instagram and Facebook. Yes, you heard that right. No more needing two phones or using cloned apps. Let me quickly show you how it works. First, open your WhatsApp, then go to your profile settings. At the top, right next to your name, you'll see a small plus icon. Just tap on that plus icon, and you'll get the option to add account. Once you click on it, WhatsApp will take you to the account setup screen. From here, you can add your second number, verify it, and that's it. Your second account is ready. Now you can easily switch between both accounts without logging out or facing any hassle. This feature is super useful if you want to separate personal and business chats or manage multiple numbers in one place. Honestly, it's a simple feature, but very powerful. And the best part, it's completely official, secure, and easy to use. If you didn't know about this feature before, give it a try now. You're definitely going to love it.